Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Wiko to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow. Then you need to choose Receive on an Android, and now we have to wait for this one to download. So we could open it and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue and allow. But this time you need to go with Send. Over here. Then tap on all of these dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here and choose while using the app or only this time. But I will enter the code, so I have to input key and choose Receive. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into, for example, folder My Files or File Manager on an Android and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!